Here I have iPhone 10 and let me show you how to create a virtual home button on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's choose settings right here. Let's find and select general. Choose accessibility here. And let's scroll down and select assistive touch right here. Let's choose it. Let's activate the assistive touch, and as you can see, the virtual home button just pops up. So the default position is right here, but you can place it wherever you want. For example, right here, as it was in the previous iPhones. Let me tap cancel. And now if you touch this home screen, this home button, you will have access to the following features, for example, notification, device, control center, gesture, custom, and of course the home. You can also choose customize right here, and you can choose more icons and add some other features as well right here, for example. That's it. You can go back and now you've got the home button on your screen. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.